Hello guys, hello, welcome back. We are in another trade. Yeah. Guys. Guys, this is the trade that we are in right now. This is one of the best setups that we've had so far, guys. As you can see, we are going to do an analysis. This is based on a turning point already, so we are just going to do the analysis. I wanted to bring this live and so that we can analyze together, guys. This is my typical A plus setup, as I can tell you. See, it has moved directly to TP, guys. Let me share with you guys in a minute how we are going to take this trade. Meanwhile, it is already hitting target everywhere. Woo, shit! guys. So like I was saying, this is a scalping trade that I took so far, and then I wanted to bring the record. So because it was a trade taken early in the morning, before I could even switch on this device, price was already moving very fast, so I could not really start from beginning. And this is a typical example of my A+ entry on synthetic indices, right? So let's look at how I was able to consider this entry here. And then okay, so if you look at it now, let's just analyze it by price move. If you look at it going to the H1 time frame, we usually do a top-down analysis, right? And we trade based on turning points, guys. So as you can see here, this is a turning point which price has reacted to. Look at price did not break this zone for a while. So if you see, you could see that price reacted here once, it came out, reacted, and then you could see that price finally came and broke out here with a strong bearish engulfing candle here. So this bearish engulfing candle led to this breakout, and you can see how price came back and was finding it difficult to break through the zone. Now this is how I take the entry. If you look at the 5 minutes, in my 5 minutes time frame, I look at the immediate trend. You could see that in the 5 minutes we still have price reacted to the zone, came back, retested. So basically this was an entry to here. This would have been a good entry here as price came back and reacted to this turning point here, and then came and closed below here. This would have been the first entry. Now you see that price comes back. Now if price comes back to the zone, we will usually mark it out like this. At this point in time, we mark it out as a zone because price has reacted the first time, and then we have our confirmation is a break of structure, right? So we have, if you have not watched our other videos, make sure you go and watch the live trades that we took. I think the video I posted before this, it was exactly this entry model. So if you look at it, we have a break of structure here, which usually stand as, oh, this device actually typing, break of structure. So this break of structure here gives us a confirmation that as price breaks and creates this new low, right, we wait for a pull back to this zone. Now this closure above here gives us our confirmation, what we call liquidity grab, because at this point in time we have this price rejected once, twice. Many people who will be looking to short here, they will have maybe their stop losses here, right? So our entry will be confirmed if these stops are being taken out. When these stops are taken out here and price closed back here with bearish engulfing, it gives a confirmation. And our second confirmation is also based on what? Look at this candlestick here. This is price action, and after closing below here, you will see that price fell to, to close above the zone, right? It fell to close above the zone, meaning we had a rejection pushing price downwards. So when it pushed price downward, what happened? Price now, we see now that okay, it shows a strong bearish pressure. That's how we're able to short on this trade here, and then immediately it moved 30 something to 40 pips over here, and this is almost hitting target. So basically that is a simple model of entry. So let's see, it's currently pulling back. Let's see. Okay. So we are pulling down again. So we have been reacting, guys. I think this is the zone. This is the zone that's causing price to retrace. Normally this trade would have just gone straight to target based on the bearish momentum as we had here, and this is because price action never lies. Price always reacts to. Look at this, is a support zone here that's causing price, guys. We just hope that this zone does not push price to go back right up. Let it just finally break this zone. When it breaks, that's all, it's going to go down. That is what happened. Look at it. Let me show you in a smaller time frame so that you see why price is doing what it's doing here. Look at this, is a support zone here, and price reacts to what it has happened in the past 1, 2, right? Though we have already taken our first target so this is the first, second reaction, and as price comes here, look at what happened. It rejects. Now you can see that based on the smaller time frame, you could be faked out thinking this was already a breakout, but now this was just for you guys to see this zone very well. But now if you go back to 5 minutes, you see exactly what is happening. You see that price has rejected completely. It has not yet closed below the zone. So this is what has happened here, guys. So tell me, if it were you, are you going to take all of the targets, the TP2? Are you going to take the TP2, or you are still going to allow it, given that we have just few pips for price to get to final destination? So let me know in the comment section below, guys. Let me know what you would do in this kind of situation. Let me know, given that we have a strong bearish pressure, we have price almost hitting target, and then we see a rejection at the key level where we have support. I mean, how do you do in this kind of situation, right? The reason why I am not tense about this is because we already had TP1 taken, right? So that's why I always take 2 trades so that this can reduce the pressure. Someone having just 1 trade, right? I always take partials when price has moved a particular distance, right? So that at this point in time, even whatever happens, it's going to, at least I'll know that TP1 was taken. So basically that is it. So but if you had only 1 trade running, guys, tell me what will you do in this kind of situation? Were you going to close, or were you going to break even, or were you just going to wash without doing anything to see if price gets to target? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. okay guys, we have a break below this zone. So we have a high chance now for price to complete the move. We have a high chance of price completing the move, guys. Oof, yeah, that's nice. That's a nice one. Why are you pulling back? I just want it to move down immediately. Let's see. Shit. Volatility to 75. See? Meanwhile, guys, let me show you a similar setup on Jump 100. So these are turning points here. A turning point around here. The turning point here like this. Right. So if you look at this, you are basically going to see that this is similar setup. We have a break down below, and then if you look at this zone here, the other similar scenario. After price created this low, it came back, rejected, cleared the liquidity above here. So basically this is how this entry would have been. Actually I took this straight earlier on and then I closed it back because I had a contradiction. This is how I would have taken this one here, right? But I entered and I closed it back because I saw a contradiction. Yeah, I saw a sell in an intraday sell, but in a bigger time frame we had shit. This is pulling back, guys. This is pulling back. Let's just hold on and see. So here we had an intraday sell, but in a bigger time frame we had an overall uptrend. Look at H4 there. Let's see. Look at H4. We have an overall uptrend, right? And then I was also looking at H1 here. The reason why I entered this trade and then I closed again is because I was thinking that here, if price closes, let's clear this off a little. If price closes above here. For instance, if price finally move like this, it will close above and instead give a buy setup. Also, given that we have an uptrending market here, right, I thought that this would even be more preferable if it happens to close above there, right? But meanwhile, I saw this sell setup in the smaller time frame. This was a sell setup that I saw in a smaller time frame, a perfect one, and actually it has moved the way I wanted. But I didn't want to take a trade where I'll have a something that's contradicting. So probably if I hold on to the trade, this is how it would have been right now. This is how it would have been right now. But to be honest, I actually closed it, right? So it's fine. It's fine. The idea is you always find opportunities like this that will always repeat themselves over and over, as long as you understand what you are doing. So if you look at it very well, you could see that here we have that perfect move there. Look at it. We have that perfect move. We have a turning point here. We can see with that line, we have a turning point, a breakdown. Price came, reacted, came back, and then came and reacted. So clear liquidity that was above the zone there, closed below and reacted. So let me show you. You can see a clear similarity with the one that we currently are in. So rejected to rejected, liquidity cleared, closed below, rejection to the downside. Look at this bearish rejection here. Look at here. Oh, this hit target, guys. Yeah, here we are gone, guys. This has finally hit target. And this is amazing. This is an amazing setup, guys. So let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts, and also if you want to continue seeing amazing content like this that will also help you. Remember, you can learn the strategy, you can apply it in any other market, guys. If you want to continue seeing videos like this, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to this channel by hitting on the subscribe button and notification bell, right? So this is it. This is the same setup. As you can see, turning point, liquidity clear, drop. Look at this here. It came here, turning point, liquidity clear, drop. Amazing, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.